You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, more English vocabulary, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons more coming up. The most common pronunciation in English, the one that is referenced in most dictionaries, is as forbade, okay? Forbade, with a stress on that bad syllable, forbade. Now, I do believe the pronunciation forbade is also correct and exists. I think it's more of a US. If you have more information about it, let us know in the comments. That'd be super interesting. Forbade is indeed used, but if you say forbade, you're absolutely right. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.